Hey guys, welcome to a new video by TechnoGuy Game God, and in this video I will be showing you guys how to insert an image in a HTML web page. Alright, so over here I have my code for my previous HTML web page. In the previous video I covered how to just type some simple text and headings into a HTML document and the basic syntax of a HTML web page. Alright, so I will include the link of my previous video in the description below. Please check it out if you want to know how to build a simple HTML web page. Alright, so I'm modifying this piece of code here so that it displays an image after printing these 4 lines of code. Alright, so to insert an image, we have the image tag with img. Do not type image fully, it's just img, and source. We also take this attribute of the image tag. Source stands for the source of the image wherever it is saved on your computer. Alright, so image source is the attribute of image. Alright, source is gonna be equal to, in double quotes please, the location where your picture is located. Okay, so for now I have my JPG file here. It can also be PNG. It should be a picture. So I have it saved over here in a folder in my computer. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy paste the path, the file path, the location, the exact location of the picture over here, and with backslash keys. If you're on a Mac, then you can use normal slashes, but I'm on a Windows computer, so I'm going to use backslashes to define the file path of my picture. Alright, so after that I'm going to type in the name of my file, which is fire.jpg. Alright, so fire.jpg. Okay, great, and this is just to display the image. And alright, so we can just save that and run it. I'll refresh that after saving, and voila, I see my picture here and it looks amazing. But doesn't it look too small? Okay, so what if I want to increase the size of the picture? Then I have to add some more attributes to the image variable, the image tag. Alright, so 2 attributes, the width attribute and the height attribute. Alright, so width is gonna be equal to say 1000. I want it to be bigger, and the height, it's already coming, it autofills. So height is gonna be also equal to say 1500, or something lesser than that, say 750. Alright, then we can save that and we can run that and we can see our picture enlarged. Whoa, that's too big. Alright, so let me just lower the size. Say that's 500 and that's gonna be 400. I can save that. Sorry about that. I'll just save that and I'll run it here to see my picture small enough. Alright, so this is my picture and I showed you 2 things today: how to insert the image and how to resize the image, the width and the height of the image. Okay, and the third concept you're gonna learn today is what if your internet connection is bad, or some kind of scenario in which the HTML web page is not able to find your image. Then we have this attribute called the alt attribute. It should be after the source. So it's called the alt attribute. So the alt is any text. Any text should be which should be displayed in case of the image not being found and the image cannot be displayed. Then this is the alternative text. I'll just name that fire horse. Alright, I'll save that and run that. I'll refresh that and still my image is found because everything is perfect and it can be found. Alright, so I'll just mess up with my code and I will just rename that to wrong something wrong. Alright, so wrong.jpg is nothing on my computer. So I will just run that again and I will see the alternative text displayed here, which is fire horse. Alright, so that's the end of my video here. Please ask me any kind of doubts in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates about my new videos. Alright guys, have a good day and goodbye.